Hey there, I'm excited to share with you the Amazon Basics bed box spring. Now, as you see, my daughter's bed has a sag right here, and I think it's because her friends were jumping on the bed and broke the box spring. Whatever it is, I know the standard box spring is broken, so I bought this Amazon Basics one, and we're going to put it together and see how it works. Check that out. That literally took 5 minutes and no tools to put together. And it's a strong, sturdy metal frame, unlike the standard wooden frame that you normally get, like the one that broke. Now all I gotta do is put the cover on it and swap the two out. Check that out. The cover just zippers right on. Perfect box spring ready to go. Now, I just swap them. Oh yeah, look at this. We can see all the wood pieces in the bottom. Every single one of them got broken. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. And just like that, it's done. I hope this has been helpful for you to decide if the Amazon Basics box spring is the perfect box spring for you.